Most of us got a boat, probably have straps like this to tie your transom down. And these are effective, but they can be a little cumbersome. I've smashed the crap out of my finger a few times trying to get these on right. A lot of times it'll get a little askew and you don't want to latch right. I've had sometimes you get home and something went wrong. You didn't have it tight enough or something and the whole strap is loose. For a long time I've wanted the ratchet straps, and the people at Strapinno reached out to me, asked me to do a video, said they'd send me some. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna attach these to my boat. For my application, all I have to do is drill one hole. My trailer is actually boxed, so I'm gonna have to drill all the way through. The bolts they sent look like they're about an inch and a half maybe. I had to go to Lowe's and pick up some stainless steel bolts that were 2.5 inches. That way it'll make it all the way through the frame. But if you just have like a C-channel or flat, you won't have that problem. So, like I said, all I gotta do is throw it up there, mark my hole, drill it out, put these bad boys on. Alright, so it's locked. To unlock it, you pull down on the little lever, and then it's got these two tabs. You push in, it releases it. Then you just hook it, release your tabs, and just ratchet up. And that's it. It's on there tight, simple as that. And then just reverse it when you're ready to take them off. The hook has a little safety snap on it too, that way it won't, just give you a little more reassurance where it won't come off. Now if you don't have a place to hook on your boat, say you're using a brand new boat, the kit actually came with this bracket that you can mount to your transom. It'll give you a spot to hook to. It did come with stainless steel bolts. They're just a little bit too short for my application because my trailer is boxed in and I needed a little bit longer, so I went to Lowe's and I think I picked up 2 stainless steel bolts for like $2.80 a piece. That was probably the easiest installation of anything I've done on this boat so far. So I'd like to thank Strapinno for sending me these. So if you're thinking about upgrading the transom straps on your boat, if you're building a boat like I do or sometimes do, check them out. I'm gonna leave their link to their Amazon page down below and check them out. These are going to come in very handy. All right, I appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you on the next one.